Hi there, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Want to walk you through today a brand new boat we just got in stock. This is the Sea Ray 190 SPX. So it's a 19-foot boat with an 8.4 beam to it. This is a very, very popular model here that we have. As you can see, it's got the nice Sea Ray blue hull side color. We did a white bottom. And as we come to the back, actually I'll point out the trailer real quick. This is equipped with a dual axle, dual disc brake trailer as well. So we come to the back, you got a nice swim platform back here with the sea deck that is glued on. When the drive is all the way down, you can actually pull this open and go all the way down into the water, which is really nice. You've also got the nice 4-step ladder, nice and deep, easy to get back onto and board the boat. And then it comes with the Mercury 4.5 liter 200 horsepower engine. There's plenty of power to go tubing, skiing, or just spend a day on the lake. Let's go to the interior, take a look at all the options. All right, welcome to the interior. First want to point out the color. So this is what they call a dune. You can obviously see it's a nice tan looking color. We did option this with the sea decking. So the sea decking goes all the way through this nice walk-through, down a step and into the boat. As we come over here, I just want to show you there's a storage underneath this seat. And then one of my favorite features is this is a nice built-in cooler. So throw some ice in there, it's got a drain, your drinks can be in there all day long. And then we'll have you come into the boat. So the seat right now is set where I can sit forward just like this. If you have more people on the boat that day and just need a little bit more room, you can add the cushion that's underneath here, right to the corner, just like that. So you can have two people sit side by side. You can sit back like this. A little bit of versatility, which is really nice. We'll come up to the helm here. We got a nice captain's chair with a bolster seat, so this sits you up just a little bit higher. We got the nice gauges right in here. You got your speed, your RPM. It's going to give you your depth. It's going to give you some information like engine information, your gas, all that basic stuff. We got the Fusion stereo system, so you got a nice head unit here. It is Bluetooth, and you do get 4 Fusion speakers included in that as well. So as we come to the bow, being that 19-foot, it's got a nice big beam to it. So like I said, 8.4 on the beam, which makes the bow of the boat nice and big as well. You've got 2 seats here, some grab handles, a couple cup holders underneath there. You can get optioned with the bow filler cushion, so you could fill this all in. Kind of becomes a big sun pad in here. So 19 SPX, this is one of our most popular boats that we sell around here. Easy to trailer around. Easy to go to pretty much any lake that you need to and have a good time with the family. Plenty of space. So give us a call to set up an appointment or just stop on down. We've got this in stock along with some other ones as well. So can't wait to see you out here.